As a college, we were selected to establish one of 5 new decarbonisation academies across Sussex to support the development of skills in retrofitting and green energy installation, taking action today for a better tomorrow. Over the next 30 years, we must decarbonise over 27 million homes in the UK. That means reducing the amount of CO2 emitted from those properties. This unprecedented challenge will require the retraining of skilled trades and professionals to install domestic green energy solutions. The East Sussex College Training Hub was developed with funding from the Department of Education as part of an employer collaboration between OHM Energy Limited, Eastbourne Borough Council and the college. The purpose of this venture was to equip students with the skills necessary to be successful in today's rapidly changing green economy. The East Sussex College Training Hub has been fully equipped with the latest technologies and equipment to support green skills and net zero initiatives. From online courses for renewable energy systems to state-of-the-art materials and equipment that serve as building blocks for a low-carbon future. These resources are critical in helping students gain the skills they need to succeed in this field. This initiative has seen OHM Energy Limited, Eastbourne Borough Council and the college provide resources such as mentorship, opportunities and real-world experience that can help create career pathways for those looking to enter a career in sustainability. Through this programme, individuals can access accredited training, recognised qualifications and professional development initiatives that are crucial for developing their capabilities within this sector. As a result, this innovative partnership is helping to shape a new generation of sustainability experts who can make a meaningful contribution to meeting our net zero targets. The transition to a green economy requires a workforce with the right skills. We aim to change behaviour by developing our training provision, enabling people to upskill with our new range of sustainability courses. Our courses include low carbon and environmental sustainability skills, decarbonisation, heat pump technology, solar PV systems, micro wind systems and retrofit technologies. All essential to help businesses use natural resources efficiently and sustainably and to be resilient to climate change. Developing green skills training hubs is essential for helping communities stay abreast of the latest sustainability trends and technologies. These programmes provide individuals with the knowledge, skills and tools to make informed decisions supporting their local environment. By offering hands-on instruction, real-world experience and access to resources such as industry professionals, these training hubs can empower people to be more conscious of their environmental impact. Over the next 30 years, we must decarbonise over 27 million homes in the UK. That means reducing the amount of CO2 emitted from those properties by installing insulation, building services and renewable energy systems at a scale and pace never seen before. This unprecedented challenge will require the retraining of skilled trades and professionals to install domestic green energy solutions and ensure that houses and commercial properties are sufficiently insulated to ensure these new technologies work effectively and efficiently. For the world to reach its goal of net zero emissions and long-term climate resilience, it is essential to have a well-trained workforce. Providing individuals with the necessary skills, resources and expertise will help organisations meet their environmental goals and create new sources of employment in the sustainability sector. Trained professionals can help develop sustainable strategies, monitor and measure progress and generate effective carbon reduction plans. As a result, this trained workforce will be essential in inspiring public engagement and the widespread adoption of green initiatives to mitigate climate change. By providing an educated workforce with the skills needed to reach net zero targets, we can ensure that our planet has a better chance of achieving long-term climate resilience.